Today we're going to install a new coil pack on this 2006 Ford F-150 cylinder 3. Alright, so we have a check engine for misfire on cylinder 3. I went ahead and removed the coil pack from its location and opened it up. Sorry, I dropped it. And you could tell, get next to the truck so I can focus here, all the green stuff there, all that corrosion. More than likely, that's probably the problem. So we have a replacement here, and let's go ahead and install it. All right, here it is, nice and pretty, brand spanking new. Let's go ahead and put it into its location. Right in here, and let's just work it all the way into place. All right, there it is. And now we're going to put in the screw that I have here somewhere. Should be a nice safe location, but it's hiding from me. There it is. So we'll put in the screw and tie it up. We're going to be using socket size 932s. Yeah, socket size 932s. There it is. So let's go ahead and secure that, and then we'll plug in that pigtail. And just go ahead and secure that bolt down all the way. All right, there it is. Now let's go ahead and plug in this pigtail. There it is. Perfect. Get our light, and we'll go ahead and clear that check engine, and we'll start it up. I am dropping everything today. Alright, let's go ahead and put the car into accessories where it turns on all the lights. Let's go ahead and clear our check engine. I'm not too sure if it cleared it. We're going to go ahead and scan it again. Oh, it did. Let's go ahead and erase it one more time, even though I did it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and start it up. There it is. No more check engine. Scan our codes. Perfect. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.